Hi, I'm Sogra Purasani. I'm a visual artist who is based in Baroda. I work in mediums of printmaking. In this show, I'm mostly showing the process of printmaking through woodcuts and etchings. Since my master's in 2010, I'm working in this medium. So since 17 years, I'm practicing this medium. So every show has given me the chance to go forward with other ideas and other handling of wood. So this show is mostly about the woodcut prints and the multiplate etchings. So multiplate etchings, I have learned this medium from Germany, and I have a studio where I am practicing this medium. I'm trying to focus more on the etchings in coming days. Actually, woodcut is it's very nice medium to handle. I like that medium because of the textures and the quality of wood, as well as the transfer that it gives to the paper. Like wood is hard and paper is soft. How we transfer the images between whatever happens, it happens between. And that is the reason why I like this medium. Like my early works were very bright. And my last solo shows that I had with Tarak, they were very bright and very sharp works. But after practice, I have learned so much from this practice to soften the colors also, because this medium was new at that time, but now I am able to handle this medium more well. So I have changed the color sequence of the palette. First I use light colors to dark, and now I'm coming back to light colors from dark. So it's going like this and it's coming back. So you can see the last color is the little lighter patch on the dark work. That's why the color is getting little bit settled. And some works are sharp because they need that quality of, like the heart work that I did, it's from light to dark, and that needs the darkness. That is when the red color will come out. So some works need them, some don't need. So whatever I don't need, I just put a layer of white in the last color. So it dulls and everything goes well. Like in my last solo show, Shadows Under My Sky, from that works to this, I have started from that series. At present series is more about grounded to remain. They're like these all are images from my studio where I stay outside of Baroda. It's a beautiful place where the neighborhood is attached with all the fields and agriculture lands. So I get inspired from those places, and I try to bring those all things in my work. And along with those fields, I am trying to bring my emotions out in the work, because my everyday life is very different. I have a family, I take care of my family as well, I work. So these all things inspire me to continue my journey. And like the sketches, whatever you have seen, I first prepare my wood block. I draw the sketches on the wood block, and it takes me 3 months the process takes 3 months to finish it. So during the process, there are many layers that come in my work. So that is how I plan my journey in this printmaking. So it's very emotional thing for me to have this medium. I'm working since so many years. I have learned so much from this medium, and I'm trying to connect more. I'm trying to bring out more from these mediums in coming shows.